Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through installing the Arduino software IDE on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. So first, open your web browser, for example, Google on the search bar, just simply type Arduino IDE, then hit enter. From the search result, click on the official Arduino website link, which will be the very first one right over here. Now, once the website loads, scroll down to the download option under the Windows section. Click on the button of download right over here. After that, your download should start automatically. And if the download doesn't start automatically, all you have to do is just simply click on just download right over here. Then again, click on just download. And the download should begin, as you can see right over here. After the download is finished, click on the downloaded file to open the installer. If this file is in a zip format, which you can see right over here, go to the file location and just simply extract the zip file. As you can see right over here, just simply use any extractor, or you can use the default extracting tool of Windows itself. Now, once the file is extracted, go into the folder, and inside the folder, just simply look for the XE or the main application, which you can see right over here. So right-click and open the application. Now, within a few seconds, the Arduino software should appear in front of you, which you can see right over here. If you have this interface in front of you, all you have to do is simply click on Allow, then again Allow, and that should launch your software. And by any chance, if you have the installer instead of the zip file, what you have to do is, after you get the installer, just simply start the installer, then click on Agree to accept the license and agreement, then choose whether you want to install it for the current user or all users, then click Next. After that, select your preferred installation location, and then just simply click on Install, wait for the installation to complete. And after that, just simply click on Launch, and you will be on the same interface as you can see right over here. Now, once the installation is complete, you are all good to go. But remember, the IDE is most effective when paired with an actual Arduino hardware. Once connected, your board should appear in the device manager under the USB controller option, which you can find right over here. If you will just simply click on this drop-down menu, you will have your devices right over here. And after that, you can create your sketch, verify your code, then upload it to your board or debug as needed. If you have multiple boards, simply select the correct one from the board menu. And don't forget, you can include libraries from the sketch menu right over here. And that's it. You have successfully installed the Arduino software IDE on your Windows 11 computer. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and take care.